Favorite. 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 Favorite.
The one you like the most.
Favorite. Favorite.
My favorite food is pizza because it's delicious.
Favorite. Dish. 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 Dish.
A specific type of prepared food.
Dish. Dish.
Spaghetti is a popular Italian dish.
Dish. Spicy. 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 Spicy.
Food that has a hot, burning flavor.
Spicy. Spicy.
I like spicy food, especially curry.
Spicy. Sweet. 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 Sweet.
Food that tastes sugary.
Sweet. Sweet.
Ice cream is my favorite sweet dessert.
Sweet. Savory. 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 Savory.
Food that is salty or not sweet.
Savory. Savory.
I prefer savory foods like steak and potatoes.
Savory. Bitter. 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 Bitter.
A sharp, unpleasant taste.
Bitter. Bitter.
Dark chocolate has a slightly bitter flavor.
Bitter. Flavor. 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 Flavor.
The taste of food or drink.
Flavor. Flavor.
This soup has a rich chicken flavor.
Flavor. Ingredients. 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 Ingredients.
The foods used to make a dish.
Ingredients. Ingredients.
The main ingredients for pasta are noodles and sauce.
Ingredients. Recipe. 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 Recipe.
Instructions for cooking a dish.
Recipe. Recipe.
I followed my grandmother's recipe to make cookies.
Recipe. Meal. 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 Meal.
Food eaten at one time, breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
Meal. Meal.
My favorite meal of the day is breakfast.
Meal. Snack. 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 Snack.
A small amount of food eaten between meals.
Snack. Snack.
I had a snack of fruit and yogurt this afternoon.
Snack. Healthy. 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 Healthy.
Food that is good for your body.
Healthy. Healthy.
Salad is a healthy choice for lunch.
Healthy. Unhealthy. 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 Unhealthy.
Food that is not good for you.
Unhealthy. Unhealthy.
Eating too much fast food is unhealthy.
Unhealthy. Homemade. 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 Homemade.
Food made at home, not in a restaurant.
Homemade. Homemade.
My mom's homemade soup tastes the best.
Homemade. Delicious. 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 Delicious.
Very tasty and enjoyable to eat.
Delicious. Delicious.
The cake was so delicious that I ate 2 pieces.
Delicious. Sour. 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 Sour.
Food that has a sharp, acidic taste.
Sour. Sour.
Lemons have a very sour flavor.
Sour. Serve. 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 Serve.
To give food to someone at a meal.
Serve. Serve.
The waiter served pasta to our table.
Serve. Dessert. 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 Dessert.
Sweet food eaten after the main meal.
Dessert. Dessert.
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
Dessert. Fresh. 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 Fresh.
Food that is recently made or picked.
Fresh. Fresh.
I like eating fresh fruits in the summer.
Fresh. Crunchy. 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 Crunchy.
Food that makes a loud sound when eaten.
Crunchy. Crunchy.
These chips are so crunchy and tasty.
Crunchy.